What's up everyone, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we are not working on my Jeep. We're going to be working on my father-in-law's Jeep, putting a bumper on. So stay tuned, it's going to be pretty exciting. Alright, so we've gotten almost all these bolts loose already. Obviously the end bolts, if you've done it before, those are pretty easy. The ones that are a pain are the ones that are right here. I would advise taking this off so you can get your hands in there, but it is difficult to do that as well. But yeah, we're about to pull the bumper and then install the new one. Here we go. Alright everyone, I'm sorry I didn't really shoot too much video with this. We've been very busy, as you can tell. I'll talk more about it later. But we got this bumper installed. It looks really good. I'll turn the camera around in just a second. Very simple, 4 bolts on this side, 4 on the other, and then the tabs. So let me switch this camera around and kind of show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so it's the normal bolts right here for the bumper, and then of course on the other side there's 2 more. And then for the tabs, it comes with a little bracket that you put there, and then a through bolt right there. And that goes the same for this side as well. It's kind of hard to see back there though, but you can see those bolts, and then you can kind of see that bracket down there a little bit. Kind of hard to see, but that's what we got. Got it all wired up. I have the winch laid in there. It's working now. It's all wired. We just got these lights on, and they should be working now too. And we're going to be doing something that I've never done before with a Jeep, at least. We're going to be putting on some hella horns that are hella loud. So we're going to be putting some of these on. I'm not sure where we're going to mount them yet, but we're going to be doing that. And then we're also going to make these lights have the daytime running light. They have a halo in them right here. So we're going to be wiring that up as well. So we know the light works, but we haven't ran that yet. And we know the winch works, that's all buttoned up, and the bumper's all buttoned up. It looks really, really good. Little pan right here. Yeah, I'm a fan of it. It's good. If you're following me on Instagram, this is actually the bumper that I won from 7 Slot Customs, which is the Jeep version of Barnes. So they got a whole bunch of cool JK bumpers. And I decided that I was going to give my bumper to my father-in-law, because as you can tell, his Jeep right here still has some of the stock stuff. He's done some work. He's on 35s with a 2.5-inch lift, but he didn't have a bumper or a winch yet, so we had to get him hooked up, and that's what he's got. He got a factory 55 fatlink as well from Off-Road Elements. Pretty sweet. Everything that we have here and that you see, I will get a link to the description, or a link in the description, I'm sorry, and that way you can kind of see. He went with a Rugged Ridge winch, and yeah, it's going pretty good though. It's been a good day. I haven't really worked on her yet. She needs an oil change and some love, so that'll be next, but we'll keep grinding. Alright everyone, it's day 2 of this project. I'm sorry we kind of ran out of daylight yesterday, so like I said, I didn't get a lot of the install as far as the video, putting bolts in, and I'm sorry, normally I kind of throw that in there, but I didn't this time, unfortunately. So we're just going to kind of go over everything that we did install and show you how we did it real quick, and then we're going to be doing some maintenance to this Jeep and my Jeep as well, so that will be in the next video. Alright, obviously here the big thing is the bumper. That's what we were installing. We were installing this sweet 7-slot bumper. It looks really good. 7-Slot Customs really hooked me up on that giveaway, and I went ahead and gifted it to my father-in-law, so he was able to run this winch now and kind of get himself out of a bind if he's ever in any trouble. So thank you very much. I appreciate that for everyone that entered on that giveaway. We also wired up some halo lights because this bumper does not come with fog lights. So what we did is we used this as a fog light. The halo right here is wired with the fog lights inside the Jeep. And then he has a switch, which I'll show you in a second, for the actual light. But that's one thing that's cool about this bumper, is it comes with 2 holes, 1 on each side, 4 lights, really easy to wire up. And like I said, we have the halo running and the actual light itself. Then we got the winch in, put a factory 55 on there, which is awesome. Those things are really sick. And we got his license plate holder as well. So that's kind of important. You definitely want to make sure that you have everything that your state requires as far as safety requirements. But yeah, everything's good. We also, I talked to her a little bit earlier about the hella horns. So we ended up installing one right there, and then one's kind of tucked in right down here. So pretty sweet. They're super loud. And as you can tell, our wiring is way better than anything with JK Gear and Gadgets. Ben, if you're watching, you know it's true. Don't even lie. But let me take you, I'll show you where he just put this switch in. It's pretty awesome. He put it right here. So, looks flush, it looks nice, very clean. So, pretty sweet. But on to the next project. Alright guys, that's it for today. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We'll have another video coming to you soon where we get our hands dirty. We're going to do diff changes and an oil change, so we're going to be busy for the next day. It's going to be a lot of fun though. So stay tuned and keep the adventure going.